What's up, Printmakers? Let me show you something.
All right, I'm gonna show you a cool little effect you can do with dashes. You see these marks here that kind of look like, teeth or whatever. What I'm gonna do is inside each one of these, I'm gonna carve out separate where this green marker is. That's what I'm gonna carve out. I'm gonna carve out all these separate little hashes inside of these, and as it progressively gets smaller, it's going to fade this here. This is gonna be a highlighted area right here. This is all gonna be brighter. So what this is gonna do is it's gonna take this from a bright area and fade it down into a darker area. All right, let me show you what's going on. Okay, so this is something you can all try out at home. It'll give you a better variation of tonal values in these darker areas by using these hashes. Experiment with it, use different sorts of patterns, but that's how it's done.